Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another DIY today. This is a floor mattress made without sewing and can be used in multiple ways. Trust me, this is very easy to make and you can easily fit this in your reading corner or use it for kids play, and definitely a very comfy for your pet if you have one at home. So guys, let's get started. Guys, here I have taken a polyester fabric to make this floor mattress and a pair of scissors and definitely a measuring tape. Uh, this fabric is a rectangular piece. I have got it from a nearby store and I'll be using the same fabric for the bottom and the top of the mattress. Alright. Since this is a rectangular piece, the length and width are different. So the length of the piece is 123 centimeters and the width of the piece is 103 centimeters. So what I will be doing is I'm not going to cut this edge of the piece of this fabric. I'll let it be like this, and the other three sides I'll be cutting down the fringes across the edge. As a next step, guys, my fringes are going to be 5.5 inch by length and 1.5 inch by width. Now I'm going to cut the fringes across all the three edges into equal sizes as I told you the measurement. Guys, I'm done cutting all the fringes across all the three edges and they are equal in sizes. So here, as a next step, we'll start tying up the knots through the fringes. First we'll give one knot and see if it really looks nice and neat. Guys, so the fringes are tied up across all the three edges except in the front. So I have left some space here at the front, and so that I can easily fill it up with the polyfill. Guys, this is polyfill material. This is nothing but the fiber that we have always used to stuff in the soft toys. And before filling it up inside the mattress, please fluff it up a little because it comes in a airtight packaging. And please do not forget to start the filling it inside the corners of the mattress so that we do not forget the ends. Please fluff it up every time you start filling it inside the mattress. And finally, guys, we are done filling it up with the polyfill and our mattress is almost ready once we lock it up at the front edge. And there you go, your handmade on a budget, very comfortable mattress is ready at home. Guys, since the fabric is same on top and bottom both, so you can use the mattress either ways. So you've got a wonderful mattress ready at home on a budget. And if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.